In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your X, or what some of you might still call Twitter, account to private. This is the 2025 guide designed to help you navigate the latest interface effortlessly, ensuring your personal space stays just how you like it, private. All right, to get started, you'll first need to head over to the homepage of your X account. If you're logged in, that's usually the first thing you'll see when you open the app or the website, a familiar site, right? Once you're there, look out for the More button on the left sidebar. It's nestled just below the Messages option, and tapping on it is your gateway to more settings and configurations. As you click More, a drop-down menu will reveal itself. Here, you'll want to select Settings and Privacy. This section is essentially the control hub of your account, where you can adjust everything from your password to your interface preferences. But today, we'll be diving into privacy settings. In Settings and Privacy, look for Privacy and Safety. It's here that you can control who sees what on your profile. By clicking this option, you're one step closer to a more personal and secure online space. It's also reassuring to know that this section is tailored for user safety and comfort. Moving along, you'll find various options under Privacy and Safety. Your next stop is Manage what information you allow other people on X to see. Selecting this opens up further customization options where you can tweak who gets to view your activities on X. Go ahead and give that a click, and let's keep moving forward. Now for the crucial part. Once you're in this section, you'll need to locate the Protect option. This is where the magic happens. When you click Protect, you'll be activating the privacy feature that safeguards your tweets. By enabling this, you ensure that only your approved followers can see your tweets and interact with your content. It's a straightforward but powerful way to manage your visibility on the platform. And that's it. You've just set your X account to private. It's that simple. By following these steps, you've taken charge of your online privacy, ensuring you control who peeks into your digital life. Before we wrap up, remember that while these steps set your account to private, you can always revisit and adjust these settings anytime based on your preferences. Thanks for tuning in to this quick tutorial. I hope you found it clear and helpful. Don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated on the latest tips and guides. Until next time, enjoy your enhanced privacy and the peace of mind that comes with it.